Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. This is Saudi Boy Vlogger from KC. Now I'm here, still here in Philippines. Until
It's
now,
from Sea Lion.
since 2022, I'm back. I'm working in Saudi Arabia.
Are you from Saudi Arabia? Puro ka
Still now I'm here in Philippines. And inshallah, we'll be back to work to Europe.
Mga sa nahulay mo ka ako.
Yeah,
Hi guys, please subscribe.
this is my baby.
This
Baby
This
paru-paro. My
Joke
daughter. Yeah. Please subscribe my channel, Saudi Boy Vlogger. Bye bye.
Hi.